Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jahnavi and you are watching Study with Jahnavi channel. So today I am going to explain you how to apply for monetization of your YouTube channel. So first of all, go to your channel icon. So I have zoomed it right here. So go to your channel and now move to YouTube Studio. So you'll be getting your dashboard like this. So you can just see the dashboard, just scroll down and you can just see the monetization option. So most of you people will be known, but once again I'll be zooming it. So just click on that. To apply for monetization, you need to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. If you get those two options enabled, then you can just apply for the monetization. So now I got apply now button. So just click on apply now. And now you have three main steps to do for monetization. So step 1 is review partner program terms. So you need to review the partner program terms. So just click on start button. So you'll be getting some terms and conditions right here. Just read those terms and conditions very carefully and then you can just scroll down. Just scroll down all these things after reading. So you can just see payment account requirement, some terms and limitations, so terminations, growing law, and these type of some terms and conditions were there. So just click on the checkbox that I accept YouTube partner program terms. The second checkbox is already ticked because we will be getting some notification through mail, so that will be automatically clicked. So you need to just click on the first checkbox and just click on done. After doing that, you will be completing the step 1. It is very easy to complete your step 1, but be careful while you just click on checkbox. So those two checkboxes must be clicked. Okay. Step 1 has completed and now coming to the step 2, sign up for Google Adsense. So step 2 is also very easy. So first of all, it is asking you that do you have an Adsense account? Keep that no, I don't have an existing account. If you have also, please do keep no, I don't have an existing account. And read the I button and click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you will be redirecting to the Gmail account page. So just log into the mail which you have created your YouTube channel. So I have logged in with the mail and you will be getting a interface like this. So you will be having different types of options right here. So it is asking you your website and it is asking you your country, whatever. There are lots of options right here. Please give your country. Mine is India, so I'm just giving India. If you are from USA, give your country name as USA and click on checkbox. So yes, only these two steps you need to do at this particular point. After doing these 2 points, you just need to leave all over things. You do not give your website link right there. Please do not give your website link. Please do follow the steps as I have said right here. Just give only these 2 things, that is country name and click on checkbox. After giving these 2, click on create account. So after clicking on create account, your AdSense account will be created. And now it moves to Google AdSense account page. Just click on start button. And now you will be asking some basic information, which is address, like the name which is given in your Aadhaar card or PAN card. Give the same details in this particular stage. Please make sure that give your correct details at this particular step. Give exact address that is given in your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Whatever the proof that you have, please give the same details at this particular step. So I'll be just giving up some details, like it is asking us account type. Give as individual. It is not an business account. So it is our personal YouTube channel, means just give as individual. And now give your name as it is in your Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, whatever. Give the same name as it is in the proofs. And now coming to the address, give the same details that is given in your proofs, like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license. Give the same address. So you'll be getting a verification pin to that address itself. So I'm sorry, I'm just hiding the address part. Yes, always smile, smile, smile. And now give your exact address. Please don't skip this. Please do it carefully and check it twice or thrice, because this address will be your permanent address for lifelong. And if you wanted to be changing this address, it takes a lot of time to change and it will be very risky too. So check it 2 to 3 times. It is good enough if you check rather than waiting for months and months. This is quite good, right? So please check it very carefully. Give your PIN code, country name, state name, and your exact address. So these all the only details that is asking right here. After giving all these details, you will be showing all over the content that you have given address, like is this correct or not. It will be asking. Just click on tick mark, and now yes, it is all done. And now click on OK. You'll be having the OK option right there. After checking it twice or thrice, just click on OK option. So after clicking on OK, you'll be getting back again, and now click on OK again on this pop-up. Actually it is in Telugu, but I'm just explaining you in English. By doing yourself, you can just understand what I'm just telling you, okay? And now it is automatically redirecting to YouTube Studio, and now the step 2 is in progress. So yes guys, the step 2 will be in progress, and after 24 hours it will be shown as done, and then it automatically moves to step 3, and you should not do anything right there. It automatically does step 3, and it will be checked by YouTube members itself, and it will be calculating is YouTube policies is following or not. After that, you will be getting YouTube partnership, and that's it. Hope it is helpful. See you soon. Bye bye.